Good afternoon, everyone. Here I'll show you the use of simulator of 8086, which is known as EMU 8086. So this simulator is used to write down the assembly language program of 8086 microprocessor. So here first you see, after installing your emulator 8086, you will see this kind of icon. So you click on this icon. So after that you just select this new. Then it will ask whether you want to go for .com template, .exe template, .bin template, .boot template. So for us, since we will write simple program, so we can use .com template. So you click on this, okay. So already these lines are written in the editor window. So you just delete this editor window. After that, here I'll show you one program that is the addition of two 16-bit numbers using 8086 microprocessor. So first I'll write down the question. So here like your at sim, semicolon is used to give the comment. So I am using this semicolon. I'll write down the question. Write an assembly language program to add two 16-bit numbers using 8086 microprocessor. Okay, so now I'll write down the program. So simple addition. So I'll take the data in accumulator and I'll add the data next data to directly to the accumulator. So here already you know accumulator is known as AX. So I'll write move AX comma 1 2 3 4 8. This is my 16-bit number. I'll take another 16-bit number, add AX, directly added to the accumulator, add AX to 1 3 4 H. So 4 hexadecimal digits means 4 into 4, total 16 binary digits. So here what I have done, I have simply taken one number in the accumulator and directly immediately added the number to the accumulator. Now I will save my file. So I am clicking on this save. So already I have one folder in my desktop, that MPLab. So here I am writing this. Suppose I am writing program 2. Okay. So program 2, it is also assembly language program. So extension is .asm. Simply I have saved it. Okay. After saving, I have to emulate. Here emulate means you have to check whether there is any error or not. So I am just clicking on this emulator. So after this emulate, you can see this particular icons, that means original source code, and you can see here registers AX, BX, CX, DX, and you can see these buttons, that single step. Single step means you can line by line you can execute your program, or run directly as a whole you can execute your program. So I am clicking on this run, but before clicking on this run, you just see what is the content of accumulator. Accumulator content is 0000. So after this, the results would be stored in the accumulator. After addition, your results would be stored in the accumulator. So I am clicking on this run. So the emulator is halted message will come. That means the emulator stopped to work after performing it has performed the addition. Now it is halting. So I am clicking on this OK. Now you see the result, the content of the accumulator, which is 3368. Why it is 3368? You see 4 plus 4 is 8, 3 plus 3 is 6, then 2 plus 1 is 3, and then 1 plus 2 is 3. Okay, so like this you can execute your rest of the programs. I have given the 5 programs. You execute it, and for tomorrow your lab exam you have to use this emulator 8086 for 8086 microprocessor, and your HSIM for 8051 microcontroller. Okay.